to Unsolved Mysteries Hour. This is Stan the Mystery Man, coming to you live from Birmingham. Let's take our first caller, Harry. Harry from Leeds, you're on the air. What's your question?
Yeah, hi Stan. My name's Harry. I've got a couple of questions about the crop circles in southern England. What are they? And does anyone know how they were made and who made them?
Crop circles are perfect geometrical patterns that appear in crops of corn and other grain fields. They're best seen from high up, like from a plane. No one understands this phenomenon. There are some theories, but there are no scientific explanations. Maybe they're made by a cosmic force, or by the wind. Or maybe crop circles are a hoax, and some very clever people are trying to trick us. There are no real answers yet. Good questions, Harry. 2. Now, Chris from Southampton, you're on the air. What's your question?
Thanks for taking my call, Stan. I've got 2 questions. I was just wondering about the Bermuda Triangle. It's still an unsolved mystery, isn't it? And why don't ships and planes just stay away from the area?
You're right. This is still an unsolved mystery. No one can explain why ships and planes sometimes disappear there. The thing is, no one knows when or if a disappearance will occur, so that's why ships and planes still travel there. 3. Now, for our next caller, Ellie from Bristol. You're on the air.
Hi, Stan. No one has discovered who built the Great Pyramids and why they were built, have they? It's amazing how well constructed they are.
That's very true, Ellie. The scientists, like archaeologists and geologists, have got ideas about how they were built, but they're not really sure. To them, it seems almost impossible that the ancient Egyptians could have constructed these pyramids without modern tools. It's a real mystery. 4. Now, for a caller from Norwich. Go ahead with your question, caller.
Hi there. I'm Abby and I'm a first-year student here at the University of East Anglia. I agree with you about the Great Pyramids, by the way. We've been studying them in my Ancient Civilizations class. My question is about the Northern Lights. Are scientists confident they've now got a good explanation for this phenomenon?
Very good question, Abby. The Northern Lights have been observed since ancient times. The scientists of long ago weren't sure what caused the brilliant colours, but the scientists of today have now got a pretty clear idea, and they've been able to gather proof to support their theory. You should listen to this program next Wednesday night, because we'll be talking all about the Northern Lights. That's all for tonight.